Welcome to our final session of the AI 101 series. Over the last 5 videos, we've built a solid foundation. You've learned to think of AI as a teammate. You've chosen your platform. You've learned how to craft clear, effective prompts that reflect your unique voice. Now it's time to put it all into practice. Knowledge is great, but it's action that produces results. So the best way to build confidence and make AI a natural part of your workflow is to get some quick, tangible wins. And so this session is entitled Putting AI to Work. And I want to give you 3 practical applications, use cases, if you will, that you can use today to get immediate value from your AI teammate and start saving a significant amount of time. Now, as I walk through these, you're going to notice that the example prompts I use are abbreviated. And for many day-to-day tasks, a simple, direct instruction is all you need. However, if you ever find that you're not getting the output you want, that's your cue to be more explicit. Simply fall back on the full 4-part perfect prompt template framework that we learned about: role, context, assignment, and output. Worth memorizing. This will give your AI teammate the clarity it needs. So let's dive in. Use case number 1, become a speed reader. This is actually better than becoming a speed reader. We're going to use AI to conquer information overload. Now, we're all flooded with reports, articles, even books that we feel like we should read, but we never have time for. But with your AI teammate, you can get the core insights from any document in a fraction of the time. The process is very simple. You just upload a PDF of the document, and that's key. It could be a dense industry report, some lengthy article, even an entire book, and give it a prompt, something like this. Act as an expert research analyst. Please provide a concise summary of the attached document. Summarize the 3 to 5 most important takeaways based on what you know about me. List the 5 key quotes and then identify 3 to 5 top actions I should consider taking based on this document. So in seconds, literally, you'll have a clear, actionable summary. And I use this all the time to prepare for podcast interviews. It used to take my team hours to prep. Now it takes less than 5 minutes. This one application alone can save you hours every week. Okay, use case number 2. Conquer your inbox. So the second application is all about reclaiming your inbox. And we all face those difficult or time-consuming emails that we just put off answering. Your AI teammate can act as an expert communications assistant, helping you draft thoughtful, effective replies in seconds. So let's just say you receive a long email from a client with several questions and a bit of a frustrated tone. So instead of agonizing over the perfect reply, you can paste their email into the chat and you can say something like this. Act as a customer service expert with a calm and empathetic tone. Please draft a reply to this email that addresses all of the client's questions, validates their frustrations, and proposes a clear next step. Be sure to follow my attached voice guide, which of course you've uploaded as a PDF, right? So then the AI will generate a professional, well-structured draft that you can quickly review, edit, and send. It removes the friction and the emotional labor from email, allowing you to be more responsive and effective. Now, this brings us to use case number 3. Never start from a blank page again. So finally, let's use AI to overcome the single biggest barrier to content creation. You know what that is? The blank page. Whether you need to write a blog post, create a presentation, or an outline for a new course, your AI teammate is the ultimate brainstorming partner. So instead of staring at a blinking cursor, you can start a conversation. People get writer's block, but they don't often get talker's block. So let's say you need to create a presentation on leadership. You can just prompt it like this. Act as an expert on leadership development. I need to create a 30-minute presentation for new managers. The goal is to give them 3 foundational principles for leading their teams effectively. Please generate 3 potential frameworks for this presentation, each with a catchy title and a brief description. From there, you can have a back and forth conversation to choose a framework, flesh out the talking points for each section, and even brainstorm stories and examples. You're never creating from scratch, and that's the part that I love. You're always starting with a rich set of ideas to react and refine. So these three applications, summarizing, drafting emails, and brainstorming, are just the beginning. But they are powerful, high leverage activities that'll immediately demonstrate the value of having an AI teammate. So you're now completed the AI 101 series. You have the mindset, the teammate, and the core skills to begin leveraging this incredible technology. My challenge to you is simple. Start practicing. Put in the reps. Pick one of these applications and try it this week. The more you use your AI teammate, the more intuitive it will become, and the more indispensable it will be. It was hard for me at the beginning, but the more I used it, the easier it got, and the more proficient I became at it. So, congratulations on building your foundation. You're ready to go. Now go put it to work.